Just down at Vinny's workshop today. We're going to be cracking on with his project and hopefully trying to get Mart 1 up and running. Looks a bit sorry for itself. Needs a good wash. But yeah, I'll show you Vinny's motor. Freshly painted. And these are both proper as they should be. Both going to be running hot cross flows in them on carbs. So what's the plan, Mark? We're going to be banging on fresh coil. Has it got fuel in it?
I'll have to drain it out. Try to just run it off a can or something.
How much fuel's in it, do you know?
Probably quite a bit, isn't it?
Do you want me to drain it out using the pump?
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Ollie's working on the crossflow engine for Vinny's car. Giving her a clean up. We've got to clean up all the valves. Bang them back in the head. Pretty big valve head. Why you got to take the rocker cover off?
I like the way the 7 space is.
Up to the centre and compression strip.
Yeah.
And just to have a look out of interest.
It's all surface rust. Been a while since all the spiders crawled out of it. That steel rocker post.
Yeah. Nothing come out yet. Unless it is the regulator.
Yeah, shall we try it without the regulator in there?
Reverse, slam it in first.
Putting a new Dizzy in. Is this a Beztec one or
Nah.
1, 2, 3?
Nah, Chinese shit.
Chinese shit.
Yeah. £65.
Job done.
What was in his white car as well?
Oh, so you know it works,
you know
yeah.
what I mean?
And you still need the crank position sensor for it.
No.
You don't.
No.
Oh.
So I'm only in a fretting.
Just to get it running up. Yeah, fair enough. Cool. So we got a coil pack, yeah, and then there's no fuel in it. It turns out there's no fuel in the tank.
That's
So
what I want to do. I want to strip the hull underneath.
yeah.
And then just redo everything, you know, so it's all together underneath. Then get it all
Are you going
back
to
together.
like repaint the bottom or anything?
If it needs,
Oh,
British.
it's a solid. I mean, apart from the fact it's covered in loads of dust, it's a solid little car.
The seals when I got it like 12 years ago.
Yeah.
I've had a little bit of the boot floor.
They always go on the bottom corners, on the rear
That's where the
corners,
white car's starting to.
bubble up.
So I'd like to get all the underneath done, then I can tackle the outside. I mean, the worst thing to do is to take a car fully apart. So
Never go back
do
together.
it in stages.
Oh mate, smells like an old car in there. Look at the dust on it. The door shuts like a Golf.
Cheese to it.
Yes, sir.
Your old squiz.
Squiz has got the jerry can. This is going to be a problem.
Your exhaust valve is? No, I'm going to let Mart start it because it's his car.
Dead.
You got a good app?
Yeah, it was probably dirty.
You got power at the actual starter itself.
Yeah.
Because I used to suffer with old Mk1 timers, didn't I?
Yeah, well, it was late showing there's power there. Wasn't there?
Have you tried to bridge the...
Yeah, I tried it then and it still didn't do nothing.
Give it another whack.
What if you hold it over?
Yeah. Yeah, when was the last time it like
About 8 years ago.
God, it sounds nice though, doesn't it?
Got a Tesla motor.
We're going full hybrid.
Mark, can you not just start it with a cranking handle? That's why you need a pepper pot wheel on it to get through the spoke. Are you just going to go straight for it with the fuel and everything?
Yeah.
Go on then. Give it a rev. Runs like a champ.
Don't even sound like it's got fuel pressure on it, does it?
No. Just click it and let the pump.
Is the brakes out?
Give it a whirl.
Give it. You checked. You got a spark.
Stick that up the end of the HT lead. See if it'll spark on the rock.
Away from the jerry can.
Give it a try.
Yeah,
Go and get us out.
Oh, we got another battery to jump on it. Bang on it.
Take two with the jump pack.
Definitely got fuel.
So it's sucking fuel out. There's no
It's the duck.
What about the floats?
Pipe's
Have you checked?
freezing cold, but like, is it actually putting fuel into the
I
cars?
don't really smell fuel there, does
No.
it?
No, not
Could it be
at all.
like the floats and stuff stuck?
I'll tell you what. Just crank it over again.
fuel
Squeeze.
from the car, like, just to see what happens.
Okay. Go on. Don't sound like you suck your fuck all up.
God, no fuel, man. No.
Oh, the fuel lights.
Does it matter the caps off the top of the weather as well?
Nah, that should be right.
We'll run without them.
Piercing out of that.
Alright, new fuel hose.
New fuel line.
When I say
got
new,
any?
is that new old stock?
Yeah,
stuff?
how good's that one there as well?
That'll do.
Yeah, it looks
Just wash
better.
it on, mate. That'll be alright.
Come on, baby, shit.
Oh, she's gone quiet.
That sounds better.
It's got a bit of pressure, doesn't it?
Ready?
Yeah, go on.
Ready? Not too much throttle. Not too much, mate.
Is it running on all four? Just touch the pipe. Yeah, you don't get that from an electric car.
She runs, Mart, that's the main thing.
Yeah, what was that weird whirring sound down here?
The alternator ain't tight.
Oh. We up to, Mark?
Yeah.
Front suspension roller.
And that's all going on Vinny's car.
Yeah, the coilovers off of this.
Yeah.
They've got brand new set of gases. Well, more or less brand new. Avos.
Back to the old school. Vinny's just cleaning up his shocks, which are Mart's old shocks. Just toothbrush out.
A big toothbrush.
Yeah, you ain't got a ball joint splitter, have you?
I've got a bolster.
Go on and hit it. Don't miss it. Do you not whack the head of the... Not that one, that way, yeah. Would that not work?
Because there ain't much.
But you
No.
also don't want to.
You don't want to mash it. I think you can just mash it.
Other times, and I can hear it banging. So walking around, you don't want to go in places because I don't know.
Never gonna happen.
This thing for the banging.
Just cut it off, mate.
Banging was coming in, so I came in here.
The steering arms are overrated anyway.
Then I heard some beastie thing start up round the corner, some Rover
Easy.
test thing.
He's here.
Bleeding out, that's a nightmare trying to find you.
He'll drop. There you go.
Do you remember the day, Mart? You found that in that geese's broom cupboard and
What's
the
that?
garage.
Never forget.
Got a Mart 1 Fizz that you boys might be interested in.
Is that Dave Edmonds one?
The Edmonds fell over twice.
That's where this engine come out,
Yeah,
wasn't it?
and then he went, got an engine for it fresh in the broom cupboard. Goes to his house, broom cupboard, fresh engine in there. Sweet, took it out, and there it is.
Nice. So Vinny's going to be stripping this down. Are you going to put new shells in it? Yeah, new shells.
I'm going for the full.
And then we'll bang some new rings in it and give it a hone. So we won't be getting this bad today then. Long and short.
Unfortunately not.
That's right, you ain't got engine mounts, so
What's
it won't go in the car today. Do you make up all the door cards yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That black Fomex.
Yeah,
Nice.
really light. But gives you the finish that looks quite smooth and soft.
Yes, it's you do the back ones as well for the boot.
Yeah, I've done them out of some like metal type stuff. So it'll be a bit firmer.
Oh mate, it's fresh. Got 5-speed cut out. Are you running a servo?
Yeah.
It's a wicked colour. I don't know if it'll come out on the camera.
No, it's very hard to see it through. It don't do it justice, does
No.
it, by camera? Once you get outside as well, it's like...
Have you offered up one of those pepper pots under the arch yet?
Yeah, I didn't like colour.
No. Oh, because they're orange, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let's put...
yeah, that's rude. Don't know about your windscreen wipers though.
No,
They might be an MOT failure.
Yeah. So let's get these things that go under.
Oh yeah, because you painted them.
Yeah, but
Oh no, that's how they
No,
are.
no,
That's the
that's-
cover, isn't it?
yeah, that's the cover. But we couldn't find any, and I've got some coming from Scotland.
What, are you running small bumpers on it?
Yeah,
Sweet.
and I was thinking of doing fiberglass moulds of them,
Yeah.
and then shortening the brackets so that they sit
Sit-
further
yeah,
back,
yeah,
and then
flush.
trimming the middle out, so that it was even.
fits, so it's like like right tight up there.
Yeah.
The carbs. Oh, you got Del Autos?
Yeah,
No, 40s.
yeah.
Were these off the white car as well? Or did you buy these
No,
separately?
I bought these off of that Mart Fiesta page.
Can you rebuild them?
Yeah, but I'm gonna run a standard car to start with,
Oh, just like an XR.
just for now, or maybe like a twin choke.
This is Caleb's EcoBoost engine to go in his Mark 1 Fiesta. 3-cylinder, 1 litre.
Hold this for you, sir.
So yeah, this is Caleb's EcoBoost engine. And the plan is, right, at the moment it's got direct fuel injection, mechanical fuel pump, loads of sensors and shit, but Zach and my brainchild is back to the old school, simplify it.
Right, go on, I'm listening.
SU carb, suck through on the inlet of the turbo,
Yep.
link pipe over the top, rip all of this crap off that you don't need, blank up the injectors, and then run a link pipe over, split into 3 into the inlet, take out the coil. So that sorts out. Sorry, that sorts out the fuel. Yeah.
Yep.
And then you can run like a facet pump with a old school fuel pressure regulator.
Yep.
That sees atmosphere, so you don't have to worry about like fuel pressure, boost control, fuel pressure regulators. Then that's the fueling. The ignition, take all the coil plugs off, and then you can get a Daewoo Matiz 3 output distributor. Yeah. Get a bracket like the old Mantas had, and then a belt drive off of the crank pulley, and mount the dizzy down the side with 3 HT leads and just squish them on the spark plugs.
Like them weird Polish things there.
Yeah, like loads of people have done it in the past, like a crazy little distributor like on a little bracket over
With
here.
you.
And then so that sorts out the ignition, and then all you got to do is lock off the timing because these are variable valve timing. Zach was like you could run 2 separate VVT controllers, or just lock them off with like a pin, so take it all apart, weld them up or whatever, and just get like a happy medium on the cam timing, and then you've got yourself an uneco boost, and just map it with a needle, little carb, and it'll probably still make like 90 horsepower, 100 horsepower. Job done.
Sweet.
That would be ideal in like a little, like it's the size of an A4 sheet.
That's
of
what I was just
paper.
working out. It looks tiny.
Mate, the engine's that big. It is the size of an A4 sheet of paper footprint, and
There you go.
like
Size of a
they're
foot.
big.
Size
And then,
of a foot.
because it's a Ford developed engine, the bell housing bolt pattern, that'll bolt up to anything Ford related, so IB5 or old Anglia 4-speed gearbox. So you could fit that in a little Anglia, not cut the bulkhead, and have a little 90 horsepower, retro carbed, simple 3-cylinder. It's got to be done, man. That'd be a sick one.
Oh, we're getting fumed out here, man.
Hang on, so yeah, got quite a lot done on Mart's car, got it up and running. Vinny obviously playing around with his engines, going to need to put some shells and piston rings in, but yeah, got sort of a good little way forward with both cars. Now Oleg and I are just heading back on the M25, going to stop off, grab some food, but hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch up with you guys next time. Take it easy.
Peace out.
Peace out.